Hi my friends, welcome to Base Kitchen. Today we are making Luosifen. Let's look at the ingredients. We've got rice noodles, the soup base, pickled bamboo shoots, chili oil, pickled long beans and dried radish, dried tofu skin, and some peanuts, vinegar, add the rice noodle to cold water. Cook over high heat. Once the water comes to a boil, add about 200 ml cold water and keep cooking. When the water boils again, gently stir the noodles to keep them from sticking together. Cook until there's no hard core in the middle. Once they are done, take the noodles out and rinse them under cold water. It cools the noodle down quickly, so they stay springy and smooth. Next, add about 400 ml of water to the pot. Pour in the soup base and bring it to a boil. When it's boiling, add the noodles back in, followed by the pickled bamboo shoots and the vegetable mix. Add half of the dry tofu skin and cook for another 2 minutes. After turning off the heat, add the vinegar, peanut, and the remaining tofu skin. That way you get both a soft and a crispy texture. Finished by drizzling in the chili oil. Give everything a good mix and it's ready to eat.